Hey guys, what's up? I'm super excited to announce that PCI Race Radios has jumped on board with us as a partner here at Swoop Motorsports. We're super excited because we are going to be replacing the old intercom system in our 36-foot flat deck skater, the Black Pearl. So PCI Race Radios set us up with everything that we're going to need for the new system. So I'm excited to get this unboxed and see what we got. Thank you so much, PCI Race Radios. Swoop! Ooh-wee.
Look at this.
Okay, one at a time. Dude, that's mine. That's mine.
Well, good luck, there's two. Look at that.
Oh, damn, that's mine.
Everything's hers.
This is all mine.
Story of my life.
All right, hold on. Oh, look how nice this is. Oh, look at it. Keep all of our headsets in, right? I'm assuming.
Wow, that's
Oh, wow, we got a bunch of them. Look at how nice these are, guys. Look at this. Very nice.
shirt XL. You know the seagull in Little Mermaid? Mine. That's her.
He steals all my stuff. Like my hats. This is really nice. Look at this.
Nice.
See all this? Okay, one at a time, sweetheart. One at a time. We're going too fast. I just wanted to open this up and see how nice that was. Oh, look at it.
That's bitching, because I was wondering if we were going to have to get a duffel bag.
Look at that. To keep everything in.
Awesome.
Super nice. Okay. Go ahead. The shirt.
Shirt.
So I want to see, is this for like fur? Is this for
Headsets.
okay, like additional headsets, possibly right there. Okay.
All the long cabling.
Yeah, we need all those to get to the back seats there. All the cable systems. Very nice. Hey, is that my shirt? And I didn't get to see. What are these ones? I wanted to see my shirt that I got. Okay, see the nice headsets. Look at these guys. Ooh, pretty.
Oh, bitching. All carbon fiber.
All
Look at
carbon fiber. That's nice.
that. Perfect decal for the engine hatch.
Yep, going on the engine hatch right there. Nice. Oh, it's so pretty too. Not a scratch on this yet. Look at that. So we got a total of 6 of these because obviously we have 6 seats in the boat.
All the cables.
Oh, look at all the cabling. Look at that. All your cords, everything's in here.
And they hooked us up. We can go boat to boat. So if another boat has race radios, we can talk boat to boat, which is cool.
Absolutely. So, like, one of the main reasons why we love having a headset system like this in the boat is, especially when you're like doing poker runs, it's good to be talking to each other. You're letting people, you know.
I don't tell her I unplug her.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, right. You're always like, who's on my left? Who's on my right? Who's in behind us? Anyways, this season and next season, we will both be either driving or throttling, so he's gonna have to communicate with me. So if this is like really important for us for that, and all the poker run events that we'll be going to, look how pretty that is. Wow.
PCI, we've always done PCI race radios. We have them in the Razor.
Yep.
We had them in the Dragsters.
Even had them in our older boats or other boats.
Yeah.
We've had them as well. So they've always been a great partner. Has always hooked us up with all their amazing equipment and system of everything. So look at another big decal for the engine hatches. Nice. What are these right here? What's in here? Did you open one of these up already?
Stuff that you don't know how to install.
No, I know. I don't see a lot of this. I don't know how to install, so this is good because I've never been involved on the install part. So Mr. Know-It-All is going to show me how to do it. What is this?
Transmitter.
Oh, nice.
That's like a distribution box
Okay.
for all the cables.
Did I miss like you pulling out the like head unit part and all that stuff, or the right here,
It's right here.
the Kenwood?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't fully opened that up yet. And then
This must be another.
more decals. Thank you.
So this is really cool feature they have. It's Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth your stereo to your headset so that you can listen to your music through your headset, and when you go to talk, it cuts out the radio and you talk.
Yeah.
Really cool feature they have.
So
Cool, thanks guys, appreciate
A
it.
lot of great stuff on here. we're excited to get it all hooked up, put it all in.
We're gonna start right now.
And we're gonna be looking real good come our next event here with everything. So
Cool. Thank you,
love it.
PCI Race Radios.
thank you, appreciate it. Swoop swoop.